To adjust the worksheet settings before printing it, you can open the Page Setup dialog box by clicking the Page Setup dialog box button in the lower right corner of the Page Setup button group on the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Then click the Sheet tab within the dialog box. The Sheet tab allows you to set additional worksheet options for printing. In the Print Area text box, you can enter or select a cell range to print. You can click the Collapse Dialog button at the right end of this text box to collapse the dialog box down. Then you can click and drag over the cells that you want to set as the print area. You must, however, click the Expand dialog button at the right end of the text box to expand the dialog box again. Be careful if you choose to assign a print area. Once set, it will always and forever print only that selected range of cells. So be sure to delete the entry that you make into this text box before saving your worksheet. In the Print Titles section, you can set selected columns to repeat at the left of each page, or set selected rows to repeat at the top of each printed page. To select rows to repeat at the top of each printed page, click the Collapse dialog button at the right end of the Rows to Repeat at Top text box, and then click anywhere into the rows that you want to repeat at the top of each printed page. When finished, click the Expand dialog box button to expand the dialog box again. You can do the same thing with the Columns to Repeat at Left text box to set selected columns to repeat at the left side of each printed page. In the Print section of the Sheet tab, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes to print or not print grid lines, black and white, draft quality, or row and column headings. You can also change the display of errors in cells by using the Cell Errors As drop-down to select blank. This will cause cell errors to display as blanks. This is useful if you are displaying an average in a formula that does not have information to average yet. Normally, there would be a divide by zero error message shown in this case because you cannot divide by zero. You can change the error message shown by using this drop-down. Also, if you have comments that have been inserted into your spreadsheet, you can use the Comments drop-down to select how the comments should be printed in your worksheet if they are printed at all. In the Page Order section, you can also set the print order of the worksheet pages to over then down, or down then over for very large worksheets that have page breaks both horizontally and vertically.